Hello, good day, Dr. Lorenzo Rojo. I'm John Pilipila Chica, I'm a student, and my report is about managing catering equipment. So, on our part, we have four chapter objectives. So, number one, discuss the organization of catering equipment and its role in the success of catering operation. Number two, identify the equipment generally required for a full service catering business. Number three, discuss special event equipment and property inventories. Number four, explain the role of rental companies in supplementing equipment needs. So, on number one, we have managing catering equipment. So, in catering equipment falls into two categories. So, we have front of the house service equipment and back of the house production equipment. So, in managing catering equipment is the responsibility of the catering manager for service needs, and the executive chef is for the production of the kitchen needs. So, number two, so front of the house equipment. So, we have a brief overview of the categories of front of the house service equipment. So, the amount of space that needs to be allocated per guest varies with the type of functions, the seating area in which the function is being held, and the overall size of the function space. So the requirements for the buffet service setup depends on the type of the functions, the menu, and the number of guests expected. So sample dito is kung cocktail party naman siya, hindi din natin kailangan ng madaming chair o madaming table. Dito natin ang cocktail table, tsaka isang mobile bar, tsaka yung table for pika-pikas. Siyempre, kumbaga, pika-pikas. So, buffet functions can be incorporated in almost any type of function plan. So, yun nga, ang buffet setup, kahit anong event o anong party is fit na fit siya. So, chairs can range in design and functions. The quality and the overall design of the chairs are selected based on the usage and storage requirements. Linens include tablecloths, napkins, placemats, and lays and overlays. Table skirting is used primarily for buffet tables and head tables for both formal and informal function. Yun nga, yung table skirting is minsan is kung pang-attract lang ng mata, pang-attract sa mata ng bisita. So for special functions and team events, chairs covers are popular way to incorporate the chair into the overall design. So number three, heart of the house of the equipment. So the equipment for the central kitchen for any food service operations depends largely on basic food production needs for the minimum items. The requirements for food service operations are based on how and where foods products are. So this one, itong sample. So receiving, stored, refrigerated, prepared, served, clean up, and disposed of. So, added to these major considerations are the requirements for food sanitation and safety. So, discuss the basic kitchen setup. So, ito nga, discuss the basic kitchen setup. Sa restaurant, magkaiba ang, kumbaga, bawat department magkaiba. Iba ang hot kitchen, iba ang cold kitchen, iba ang salad, iba ang pang main course, iba ang pang appetizer, kumbaga. Para yun din, isang help din doon is para mas madali ang trabaho, hindi magulo. So, explain the average production kitchen equipment and adequate refrigeration for both raw foods product and for foods is essential for food service operations. Sample ko dito yung dating pinagtatrabahuan. Kumbaga yung meron kaming chiller na parang isang buong kwarto na lahat lang yung nakalagay doon is mga raw foods. So, kaya yung mga hilaw na kailangan dapat frozen. Tapos yung gulay, ang store ng gulay is magkaiba rin. Ang store ng pang-canned goods is magkaiba rin. So, small catering companies and independent catering halls may find refrigeration capacity a reoccurring problem. So yun nga, minsan sa mga small catering service, wala na, sama-sama na lahat ng pratas, kahit raw foods, canned goods, o kaya fruits and vegetables, sama-sama na. Hindi katulad ng malalaking catering service, yun nga, sinabi kanina na magkaiba ang chiller ng raw foods, magkaiba ang chiller ng fruits and vegetables, tsaka iba rin ang store area ng canned goods. So, for this situation, refrigerator trucks and portable refrigeration units can be rented. So, yun nga. Pero mas magastos. So, dishwashing is a critical element for all food service operations. Yan, yung mga dishwashing naman. Kasi, sample dito, bawat chemicals is iba-iba ang function. Katulad ng para sa glass cleaner, degreaser, dishwashing liquid, ano pa nga, ang dati nagamit na. Basta yun, tatlo. Kasi ang degreaser hindi pwede siyang panglinis na katulad ng iluluto ang mga ginagamit na sa plato, kaya sa mga cookware, hindi siya pwede yung panglinis kasi nga masyadong matapang ang chemical. Pwede mo kamatay yun. So, hotels and restaurants have dishwashing equipment in place to handle loads appropriate to the size and needs for the facilities. Yun nga, sa hotels and restaurant, kung doon, iba ang dishwashing area ng plates, tsaka cutleries, iba ang dishwashing area ng glasses, iba naman ang dishwashing area ng kitchenwares. Katulad sa dating pinagtatrabahuan, magkaiba. Bali tatlo ang dishwashing area namin. So, independent catering halls also have dishwashing machines in place. So, yun nga, sa catering halls. Also, yun nga, mas kailangan talaga yun sa dishwashing area o dishwashing machine o dishwashing area. Pero minsan yung mga catering service, minsan ang dishwashing area is doon mismo sa lugar. So, outside, small catering companies and caterers that handle outside catering, mga function phase and additional challenge. Dishwashing is a critical area for food sanitation and safety. Yun. Kasi nga, syempre, pagdating sa outside catering functions, yun nga, wala na, sabo-sabo na magkakasama na ang plato, baso, tsaka mga cutleries, sama-sama na food pan, sama-sama na sa pagbubugas. Minsan doon marami ang privileges. So all dishes must be scrapped, sorted and stacked to minimize breakage on the return trip to a food service facility. Yun nga, kailangan talaga na sa mga catering service, may crates ka ng glass crates, tsaka may crates ka ng plates, para may crates ka ng food pan para malis ang breakages. Dapat magkaiba, hindi pwede sama-sama. So, waste removal is another critical area for food sanitation. So, hotels, restaurants, and catering halls are equipped with combination of compactors, garbage disposals, and pulpers. So, yun nga, sample lang natin sa simple lang. Magkaiba ang basurahan ng non-biodegradable at iba ang basurahan ng biodegradable. At saka iba rin ang dapat yun nga sa amin, iba rin ang garbage bin ng mga chemicals. So, offsite catering requires that always both organic and organic be handled efficiently. Yun nga, sabi ko, non-bio at bio dapat separate. So, waste that is returning to central production facilities must be in covered containers in which it can be transported. So, waste removal for off-premise catering should be determined and planned for prior to the function. Ice is a requirement for both beverage and food service. So, yun nga, nice. Importante talaga pagdating sa catering service. Kahit saan naman, basta sa hospitality industry, ice importante. Ice machine are sized according to the need of food service operation for ice on demand during 24-hour period. Ice machine includes three major components: production, storage, and dispensing. So, small catering companies can arrange with local ice companies to provide ice in large quantities for function instead of investing in ice making equipment. Yun nga. Kung mga maliliit lang ng catering service, meron naman tayong mga localized distributor, mas meron kang tie-up nun kasi bumili ka pa ng ice machine equipment na hindi naman pang araw-araw ang catering service, magagastusan ka lang. So, number 4, rental equipment. A catering operation, whether independent or associated with a restaurant, hotel, or convention center, is often requested to produce team events, large functions, off-premise, and special events that require equipment in addition to that on hand. In order to assure the availability of equipment, it is important to establish a relationship with at least one rental company. So yun nga, mas may katay-up na rental company ka. Example ko sa restaurant, kailangan may supplier ka. Kasi kung wala ka supplier, wala kang ibibenta. So, rental contract should be reviewed carefully for policies regarding number 1, delivery and pick-up, set up and tear down charges, order charges, damage clauses, cleaning requirements and pricing, and reservation procedures. So, now the last part is key points. So, in number 1, managing catering equipment requires knowledge to both service and production techniques and procedures. So, mas may alam ka sa catering service, kaya mas may may alam ka pagdating sa hospitality industry kasi simple na sa'yo pagdating sa catering service. So, number 2, back of the house equipment requires constant maintenance and inspection for both operation needs and employee safety. So, yun nga, kailangan may monthly check-up maintenance ka sa gamit mo kasi yun nga, pagdating ng catering service, mas magiging okay lahat ng gamit mo para hindi ka magproblema. So, number 3, both of the front of the house and back of the house equipment represent a sizable portion of the overall investment in the food service business. Number 4, managing supply and maintenance can be a time-consuming operational detail, but it should not be overlooked in a basic catering operation. Yun nga, mas mahigin na ready. Kumbaga, ako nga, example ko sa trabaho. Bago ako mag-open ng bar, kasi bartender ang past trabaho ko, ano muna ako, preparation is important. Preparation. Kasi pagdating ng operation, dire-diretso na lang trabaho. Wala nang hassle. Preparation talaga ang pinaka-importante. Dito naman sa management supply and maintenance, yun nga, sinasabi, time consuming. Kung ayusin mo pa ang gamit mo sa mismong operation na. Kaya mas importante preparation. Ito naman dito, supply and maintenance. Kailangan. So number 5, augmenting equipment inventories by using rental companies can be effective managing management technique. So number 6, by establishing relationships with local rental companies and planning for rental needs, catering business can respond to a customer request for a wide variety of functions. So that's all for my report, and thank you. Bye-bye.